Hi, this is Coach Jeffrey, and this is the ways how to join AIM Global Business and how does it work. Now, for you to get started in the business, all you have to do is buy or purchase the global package worth 888 Ghanaian cedi. Now, this is a great value for money package. Why? You will receive 978 worth of products. These products is high quality food supplements that can help cure 100 kinds of illnesses. Alright? This is made in USA, NASDAQ approved and also approved by your country. Now, the next one is in every product you order in the company, once you're already a member, you will enjoy the 25 to 30% discount on all product reorders. And you will also receive a personal web page or your DTC as your distributor tracking center. This will be your business monitoring on all your business transactions. And you will also be having a weekly payout on our tie-up bank. We have Unibank and EcoBank, meaning all your commissions, you will withdraw it on your Unibank and EcoBank account. And also, you will be having also the free training. In the training, you will learn how to grow your business and maximize your income. The training is very important. Training, we will be having an online training and offline training. Okay? Now, we have ways of earning. Actually, we have 6 ways of earning, but I'm going to discuss to you the 3 ways. The 4th, 5th, and 6th earnings, I will discuss it to you later on. Now, for example, is what we call retailing. The first earning, retailing. If you like selling products, that is good. But if not, there will be no problem. Why? We don't have any quota. For example, you sold product, you sell products. In every product you sold, you will be enjoying the 25% retail profit in every product you sold. The next one is what we call the direct referral bonus. Then every person you sponsored to join the business, you will be paid by 70 Ghanaian cedi. And also, we will be having a month sales bonus of 125 Ghanaian cedi. Now, this will be the perfect illustration on our binary program. Now, for example, this is you. This is your network. This is your web page. Now, we will be having left and right sales force. Meaning, we have to build a network with left and right. Now, we have a lot of friends, but we are going just to invite 2 of our friends to join the business. For example, you invited your friend A and friend B. We discuss the business to them, we educate them, we explain the business. Then friend A and friend B join the business, meaning they also buy the global package worth 888. In every global package, as it said, in every global package, you will be paid for about 70 as direct referral bonus. 70 and 70 as direct referral bonus. Now, this is what we call the max sales bonus. If the system detects that 1 person registered on your left and 1 person registered on your right, you will be paid for about 125 Ghanaian cedi. Again, when the system detects 1 person registered on the left, 1 person registered on your right, you will be paid 125 Ghanaian cedi for in just 2 friends. Now, 70 plus 70 plus 125, that is 265 Ghanaian cedi in just 2 of your friends. This is a big income already. Alright? Now, after you have recruited 2 of your friends, the next thing we do is teach and help them how to find 2 of their friends to join their network. Friend A, we teach and help them how to find 2 of their friends. Alright? So, for example, this is their names. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, the same as you receive the income, friend A will also receive the 265 earning for direct referral 70, plus max sales bonus. You will receive. They will also receive. Friend A will also receive as 265 Ghanaian cedi. Also, as friend B, he or she will also receive 265 Ghanaian cedi as direct referral and max sales bonus. Now, assuming assuming on your left sales force, 16 person join on the left, and the right sales force, 16 person join on the right, you will be paid for about 2,000 Ghanaian cedi as 16 pairs. 16 on the left, 16 on the right, you will be paid for about 2,000 Ghanaian cedi. Alright? Now, what if you have maximum your income? The maximum income per day is 2,000 Ghanaian cedi. What if every day 16 person join the left, 16 person join the right, every day in 1 month time? In 1 month time, meaning in month sales bonus, you have the potential income of 2,000 Ghanaian cedi per day, 60,000 Ghanaian cedi per month, and 720,000 Ghanaian cedi in 1 year time. For the amount of 888 Ghanaian cedi, you have the chance or the opportunity to earn this much. If you're working, if you're an employee, you will be earning this for the next 40 years. But here at AIM Global, you will earn this in 1 year time. Now, the fourth thing is this. What if in all persons, in all your downlines from you, all persons, on all downlines that they buy the packet, they buy a product, all product reorders under your network, you will also earn. You will also have a commission on all the products they have buy. Okay? I hope you understand my explanation. Again, if you want to know more about AIM Global, just click the link attached on this video. To know more how AIM Global, how stable the AIM Global company. Again, just message the person who have shared this video. Again, this is Coach Jeffrey. I'm happy to serve you, and we are happy to be your business partner. Welcome to Alliance Emotion Global. Be a part of our global expansion. Power.